Hi friends, in today's video, I will be answering your questions and responding to your comments. So the first comment is from Danish Ali. He wrote, "Sir, if we replace the sensor with a resistor of the same value, will it work? The sensor typically depends on temperature. Its value increases or decreases based on the temperature. If it is not dependent on temperature, your air conditioner will not work properly. That's why, even if you replace it with a resistor, it won't function correctly. The issue with this is that your air conditioner will continuously operate at one fixed temperature. You can do this temporarily for testing purposes, but it's not recommended for permanent use." The next comment is from Inam ul Haq. Inam ul Haq asked, "If the AC pipe is longer than 10 foot or 30 foot, how will the gas amount be calculated for the increase? If you extend the distance significantly, then calculation becomes necessary. In this case, you will add 2 to 2.5 grams of gas per foot. For example, if the pipe is 30 feet long, 10 feet is considered normal, so you would multiply the remaining 20 feet by 2. The answer will be 40 grams, so you will add 40 grams of gas." The next comment is from Zahid Mahmood. "Dear, use Megger to check insulation with earth, which is the best method, and voltage setting minimum is 500 volts. Multimeter is not good instrument for insulation testing." Absolutely, sir. I understand your question. However, I've noticed that in the market, most of the technicians or workers don't even have a multimeter. A good Megger is quite expensive, and even a cheaper one costs no less than 5,000 or 7,000. That's why most technicians rely on multimeters. And even with that, it's possible to determine whether the compressor is faulty or not. Now I'll read the fourth comment, which is from Arshad Ali. Arshad Ali is asking, "I have a Hitachi inverter AC, and when I supply power to it, the fuse blows immediately. What is the problem?" So Arshad Ali, please visit our channel, and for anyone else facing similar issues, you can also check it out. We have made plenty of videos about all types of PCBs, explaining what you should do when you face a problem with your PCB. The fifth comment is from Moazam Audit. Moazam Audit is asking, "Why does it happen that after turning off the AC unit at the end of the season and unplugging its main power cable from the socket, when turning it on the next season, it shows an E5 error? Please guide me on what the problem could be. If the cables or wires get chewed by mice or are cut, it can cause the E5 error to appear. Additionally, if the cables deteriorate due to weather conditions, it may be because low-quality cables were used. Silver wires, for example, tend to degrade quickly, especially in coastal areas where there is high humidity. In such environments where there is salty water, cables deteriorate faster. So if you are in such an area, this could be a problem. Otherwise, if you use good quality cables, you shouldn't face any issues." Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.